Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel down below. Before you leave, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of videos here on your channel. So if any of that interests you, please make sure to subscribe and join the family. I would love to have you. I upload videos twice a week, and also don't forget to like this video if it helps you out in any way. So for today's video, I have how I did my eyelash extensions at home. This curl is like really crazy, but it's how I did my eyelash extensions. Now, I had tried this before with much longer lashes. I think I mentioned it in the part of the video where I do like the tutorial, but it's not a tutorial, it's just how I do it. But it's I ordered these lashes on Amazon, and like these were the lashes that like everyone had, and they didn't look too long on everyone else, but they were like just very long on me for some reason. I don't know why. But I went ahead and bought some shorter ones, so I just wanted to explain to you guys about that. So they are from the same brand. So I have these lashes here. They are from T-Dance. I will have them linked down below for you guys. The first ones that I tried were the 0.18D mix, and those went from 14 to 19 millimeters. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but they are pretty long. They were 19 millimeters. So if you like a lot of volume, a lot of length, like crazy length, I would suggest these for you if you're looking for, not an everyday look. I want to say if you are looking for an everyday look, I would definitely go with the 0.18C mix. These are from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. I didn't even use any more than the 8 and the 9 millimeter. So if that gives you any indication, with this one, I was trying to use the 16 and the 17 millimeter, and it was just looking a little bit crazy. So I really like these. As you guys can see, it just makes my lashes look like I curled them, honestly. Like I just curled them, and I have a little bit of mascara on. It's really natural. It's great for every day. I feel so comfortable without makeup on or anything like that. Like today I went out and I just had on my brows and the lash extensions, and I felt so good, so confident in myself. And I feel like lash extensions just give you that confidence, like you just look more awake, you look more alive. I think that lash extensions are great for every day, especially for the office and everything like that. And it's so inexpensive to do yourself, and I have had no problems whatsoever with my lash extensions so far. I feel like it's just like mascara, honestly. Like you put mascara on your lashes. Like, I mean, some people do it every day, but even I think mascara, can, wear down your lashes. But these, I'm not touching my eyes as much because I don't want to mess up my lashes. And yeah, I just have really been enjoying them. I've had them on for a few days now, and they're not heavy. These, I will say, are very heavy if you choose to do the longer length. I also have pretty small eyes. I have a lot of like surface area on my eyes, but I don't have really big eyes, so the 8 millimeter to 9 millimeter was perfect for me. But I just wanted to go ahead and explain that to you guys before I went into the tutorial and everything like that. But yeah, this is how they came out. Let me just go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see a little bit better. So this is how they turned out. I think they look so good, so natural. I'm just like so happy with them. I've gotten so many compliments on them. The girl in Ulta thought they were professionally done, and I was like, no girl, I did them myself. So I just wanted to show you guys how they came out. This is how they look. I love them so much. I will have a life update coming soon, but I am actually starting a full-time job, which I'm very blessed and excited for. So I think that these are going to be perfect for every day because I don't have to worry about piling on the mascara or wearing false lashes. I don't think I would ever wear false lashes to my office because it's not that type of crowd. But yeah, I think that I'm just loving them, and I'm so excited that I tried this out. I kind of tried it out on a limb, just wanted to see how they turn out, and I am obsessed with them. So if you guys want to see how I did them, I'm sorry that I rambled on for such a long time. Let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, hopefully, I did my right eye, your left. So this is what we're looking like currently. I am so obsessed. It literally looks like I just curled my eyelashes, which is so crazy. I did try to do this a couple days ago and it did not turn out well. I had the lashes Tea Dance, and this was the 14 to 19, and these are just way too long for me. So I went ahead and ordered the same brand, but I ordered the 8 to 15, and I'm literally only using the 8 and 9 currently on my eye. I don't even think I used any 10, but I am also using this Ardell Lash Light for individual lashes, the dark lash adhesive. I saw a lot of girls that I watched the DIY lash extensions use this glue, so I went ahead and picked this up on Amazon as well. And then I also picked up these two tweezers. One is like a slanted tweezer and one is just like more of like a pointed tweezer. These are super, I feel, essential for eyelash extensions, and also these are super good for plucking your eyebrows. I went ahead and did my brows the other day and they turned out so well. So what I do is I just take this glue here and I just pour out a little blob of it onto like the back of like a paper or whatever, and I don't do too much because you don't want it to like start getting like too dry. I find that that's not the best thing. And then I go ahead, so I'm going to start on this eye. I think I might add a little bit more to this eye later, but for right now I'm going to go ahead and pick up the 8mm, which is the top row, and I'm just taking up one single lash. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see it. It is so teeny tiny. And then I go ahead and I dip it in the glue, and I just take a little bit. So you kind of want it to have like a little ball on the end of it. And I'm just going to go ahead. Let's see if it can focus. This is as far as I can zoom in, unfortunately. Let's see if it zooms. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it like into my lash line, not on top like you would like a lash band. I think I need a little bit more glue. I'm sticking it like into my lash line, if that makes sense in my frame. So I'm just going ahead and like placing it in my lash line. And there's the first lash. I don't even think you guys will be able to tell where it is, but that's literally all I do. So I'm going to take another 8mm one, and I start off with just taking one because I feel like taking one gives you a little bit more control over the lash and everything like that. And so I just dip it into the glue and then place it into my lash line. Sorry if you guys heard that. And you want to make sure that it's pretty straight because they will want to like go like this and go like that. So just make sure like as it's drying, sometimes I have to just hold it with the tweezers for a little bit, but nothing like, I mean literally like 2 seconds, nothing crazy. So I'm going to go ahead, do more of this, watch my show, and I'll just fast forward so you guys can see, but I literally just do that over my whole eye. That's it. And I am switching between the 8mm and the 9mm. I haven't used any of the 10. If I do go in with the 10, I will come back and let you guys know. So that's all I'm doing. So I will see you guys when I'm done. you.